for the opposition parties to have this debate on the Health Emergency Act.
What would it change?
Yeah.
Yes.
For citizens, what would have changed? Because it was a pandemic. We're going through an exceptional situation. So
You're absolutely right. We're going through an exceptional situation. But what did it change to be able to meet with Dr. Arruda for 3 hours in commission? What did it change to get the public recommendations from public health available? Well, it changed the fact that we are more educated on how decisions are being made. It allows us to question the way the government makes those decisions. And I think if we look at the bill, and we can question why are we renewing this decree without going to the National Assembly. It's not normal. It is not normal.
So if I understand, your intention today on April 14th is to remind Quebecers that the Legault government every 10 days is giving itself
Full
extreme power.
Every 10 days, the government of François Legault gives himself full power in order to do whatever they want without having to answer any question. They don't have to report to us. They can answer questions in question period, but they don't have to report anything. And if you look at the bill, not only you have to go to the National Assembly and consult the National Assembly, but you also have to tell the National Assembly how the money was spent, what specific powers did you use, why you used them. You actually have to give the feedback to the National Assembly, and we're not doing this right now, and it's not acceptable. It's not even following the law.
What are the dangers of this?
I don't see any dangers because we're really looking at transparency. I don't see what the danger would be. I don't think it would.
What are the dangers of not having this debate every time
They're making decisions without nobody knowing what is truly happening in the way that they're making those decisions. You have public health and the government making decisions, and sometimes you think it's political decisions versus really decisions based on science. It goes back to what we were talking about yesterday. We need the population to believe that what is done is the right thing to do, but in order to do this, we need more transparency. And we've been talking about transparency for months now. This is another example. The fact that the government Legault refuses to conduct an independent inquiry is also symptomatic. It is mind-boggling that that they haven't started an independent inquiry on something like this.